Well, we just got all the stickers put on. It's running. Just warming it up. John's away having a nervous poo, but everything seems to be working pretty good. The only thing we haven't got on the dash is fuel temperature, but not massively needed. He's just put all the little testing stickers on it. Seems to be running fairly smoothly. Managed to get the fuel pressure on in the end, so now we've got fuel temperature and pressure. Managed to get the plastic roof on alright as well. But everything seems to be pretty good. A little bit on the rich side, but hopefully that'll come down when it gets a little rev and warm up. Nervous?
Yeah, a lot. Raising the rear ride height, working through, you know, the usual bits and bobs. Running really soft rear springs for the drifting side of things, but again a bit of rubbish. So the marshals have just said, after one warning it's your last warning, even though it's one lap, but anyway. So we want to make sure we don't have a problem. So this is a new tread, wheel arch rubbish.
So that's the day ended. We obviously had issues with the arches that we had to fit, even though we were told by the guy we booked it with that it'd be okay. Unfortunately, full of shit, and we had to fix the part of the kit to make it acceptable for them. The issues we've had today are slight overheating issue. The fans are currently sucking from the front. We're going to reverse the polarity so they actually blow, because I think it's creating a buffer and not actually flowing through the rad. We also had to raise the rear suspension because it's so soft it was rubbing. Almost got black flag for that one. Didn't we, sir?
Did get black flag, one more morning.
The tensioner belt for the auxiliary, or the auxiliary tensioner belt, has got a little bit of play in it, so it's pushing the belt off on the very top. And we pushed out a little bit of power steering fluid, so we'll check that as well, make sure there's no issues. The issues we've had with the power steering rack don't seem to be a problem today, but other than that, all seems to have gone pretty well. To be honest, the issues that we have had, we kind of knew we'd have. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, hit that bell and get the notifications. You can also check us out on Facebook, the link's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.